In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed fonts in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, embedding fonts in your PowerPoint presentations is a great way to ensure that your text appears exactly as you designed it, regardless of where or how it's viewed. Let's get started on how you can do this step by step. First, you want to have your presentation open. Once you have it ready, look up to the top left corner of the screen. There, you will see the File tab. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu. At the bottom left of this menu, you will see an option called Options. Click on that to open up the PowerPoint Options window. Once you're in the PowerPoint Options window, you'll want to navigate to the settings regarding saving your document. Look for the category labeled Save on the left-hand menu panel of this window. This section contains important settings related to how your presentation is saved, and we're looking for a very specific option. Now, as you scroll down within the Save settings, keep an eye out for a section that's titled Preserve Fidelity when sharing this presentation. This section has a few important options, but the one we are interested in is fairly simple to find. At the bottom of this section, you will see a checkbox labeled Embed Fonts in the file. What you need to do is check this box. This action allows your chosen fonts to be bundled together with your presentation file, which is essential if you're using fonts that might not be available on every computer or device where your slides might be viewed. After you've checked that box, you're almost done. The last step is to click the OK button to apply the changes you've just made. This ensures that your settings are saved. Now, every time you save this particular file, the font data will be included directly within the presentation itself, which means your text will remain looking exactly how you intended it, no matter who opens the file or where it's opened. And that's it. Embedding fonts in PowerPoint is really that straightforward. It makes a huge difference when sharing your presentations with colleagues or friends, making sure that your creative choices are preserved. If you followed along and found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I love sharing tips and tricks that enhance your PowerPoint experience, and I'd love to hear about your experiences embedding fonts or any challenges you may have faced. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we explore more features to make your presentations shine.